This is a short video to highlight some of the key features of the brass bells. The bells are handcrafted here in the UK. We currently stock two sizes. This size is the 5-inch bell. The larger bell is also available and is just a little bit bigger. Each bell has a solid brass knock piece and a traditional rope ringer. I'm now going to ring the bell 3 times so we can try and hear the authentic sounds. You can engrave on the bell to make it a personal special gift, or it's fine as everyday use in your home and garden.